Today we are taking a quick look at Wan 2.5, what it is, what it offers, and whether it's actually worth your time. No fluff, just the important details. What is Wan 2.5? Wan 2.5 is a networking or AI based platform tool depending on its use case, designed to improve performance, connectivity, or workflow efficiency. In simple terms, it aims to optimize system performance, improve stability and speed, offer better control or automation features. It's basically an upgraded version of previous one releases with improved stability and performance tuning. Key features. Here are the main features you should know. Improved performance. WAN 2.5 focuses on faster processing and smoother operation compared to older versions. Better stability. Fewer crashes, fewer interruptions, and more consistent performance during heavy usage. Enhanced interface. The interface is cleaner and easier to navigate, making it more user friendly even for beginners. Customization options. Users get more control over settings, allowing adjustments based on performance needs. Compatibility improvements. Work better with a wider range of systems and environments compared to earlier versions. Pros. Let's break down what it does well. Noticeably faster than previous versions, more stable under heavy load, simple and improved interface, flexible configuration options, better overall system optimization. If you are upgrading from an older version, you will likely notice immediate improvements. Cons. Now the downsides. Still not perfect, some minor bugs may exist, advanced settings can be confusing for beginners, performance gains depend on your system setup, limited documentation or community support in some cases. So while it's improved, it's not completely flawless. Who should use WAN 2.5? WAN 2.5 is best for users upgrading from older WAN versions, people who need better performance and stability, users comfortable with basic system configuration. It may not be ideal for complete beginners who want a plug and play experience. Final verdict. So is WAN 2.5 worth it? Yes, if you want better performance, stability, and control compared to earlier versions. But if you are a beginner or do not want to deal with settings, it might get some time to get used to. Overall, WAN 2.5 is a solid upgrade, not revolutionary, but definitely improved. And that's all for today's review. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment down below, share this video to your friend. Thank you for watching and see you in the new one.